क्या वो पढ़ रही है?
Is she studying?
क्या वो रो रही है?
Is she crying?
क्या वो खेलती है?
Does she?
वो कैसे पढ़ रहा है? He is studying. No, prophet continues.
Style. So it is not possible for anywhere. If I'm talking about the teaching topic is world peace is remote possible. So as I think and my honor says that it is possible because impossible.
It is a world peace possible, but different countries different mindset and different diplomacy.
Situation.
1, 3, 2, 4. डांस करेगा. 2, 2. Hello everyone. We are at Namo Ghat at Varanasi.
According to me, the power of the positivity is a thing. It's the only way to help us for a student and for a people. Because when the education improves or the lack of positivity, but in that 100%, 20% of power of good education, we are here because of our positivity.
अगर आप वाराणसी से हैं और एक फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश स्पीकर बनना चाहते हैं, एक अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं, तो मैं सूरज कुमार सैनी, डायरेक्टर ऑफ लियो एकेडमी, आपको इंग्लिश बोलना सिखाऊंगा और वो भी सिर्फ 3 महीने में, जहां 3 महीने की क्लास के बाद आपको 5 मंथ की क्लास फ्री दी जाएगी, जिसका एक भी पैसा आपसे नहीं लिया जाएगा, जहां पर आप सीखेंगे एडवांस इंग्लिश ग्रामर, 1000 से ज़्यादा वोकैब्स, कॉन्वर्सेशन, माइक प्रेजेंटेशन, सेमिनार्स, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की क्लासेस, नॉइस टॉक, फ्लिप टॉक्स और बहुत सारी फनी एक्टिविटीज़। तो कमर कस लीजिए। अच्छा इंग्लिश स्पीकर बनना है तो नीचे मोर वाले बटन पे क्लिक कीजिए, वहां से कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर निकालिए और अपनी सीट जल्द से जल्द बुक कराइए। तो मिलता हूं आपसे मेरी अपनी क्लास में। Today we are going to have a little fun with flip talks.
And secondly, school is a dangerous place.
Your topic is malls.
Mall is very beautiful place because mall are very disgusting place because there are most of them in Varanasi also because there क्या बता हाँ क्या मॉल के बाद Thank you so much. Movies are very motivational to the youngster. Like we have the experimental movies are future for our. Movies are very disappointing nowadays because I'm not talking about the person who are liking. As I said.
Yes sir. Okay. Your topic is cell phones or smartphones. So hello. ये तो यार फालतू चीज़ तो दिमाग में पहले आता है। हाँ, मोबाइल वेरी सीरियसली लाइक बोल तो सर एक इतना मेहनत से मेरा टॉपिक आया था क्या था?
School is a very beautiful place. School is a place which you can say of school. Maybe I always go school late, but I'm not. Sir, ये तो मेरी बेइज्जती हो रही है।
This activity is all about pros and cons, positive and negative. You are to flip your speeches suddenly. So at that time, what did you think?
So to be very honest, it's like a very great experience for me for thinking just quick changing mood of ourselves.
Now turn. One more. Open your eyes.
Surprise.
Take this also. Yes, now start.
Today I have got the opportunity to describe her. I really like you as you are very sincere in this group. in my point, and I like your face, smile, and whenever I need any suggestion about my academic or internship doubts, you used to solve it very quickly.
Sorry, but here is the topic about the good grades, not mentioned it mandatory for the academic or for the schooling. It's about the life. You have to get the good grades in your skill, in your life, in your practical thing, and for the person, those you are talking about, those are already skilled about the thing they are doing. That's why they are successful.
And you will also agree on this topic that manufacturing sector and industrial sector is gaining importance nowadays. So in industrial sector, you will require technical skill more than soft skill.
And if a person is doing job technically or through mobile phones or through computers, this means that he is properly educated in all his technical knowledge.
We learn technical skills, but we cannot learn soft skills.
Why? We are here to learn soft skills.
Relax their mind and then again make their timetable or their schedule and then to work. So that was follow this timetable. Enjoy their life. Actually, life is very.
Divya, are you ready?
Yes, sir. In this, there is one person who says something on at a particular topic, and when you say flip, then change the topic immediately.
Shopping malls having variety of things. So having shopping mall is a very bad place.
Vehicles, sometimes vehicles are very accidental thing and
flip.
Media give us many knowledges all about country, but sometimes it comes to a party politics.
Please tell our audience that how much you enjoyed.
First of all, thank you Suraj sir for this. I enjoyed so much, and so I learned that how to immediately change the topic.
Yes.
The doctor helps to the one who has ill or who has patient, and they give him medicine and they are well okay. So they see like a doctor as a god. If you take this instance for a parent or a child, if a child or if a parent of a child is admitted in a hospital and is a very critical situation, then the only time that time the child is going to remember the God, because that time he feels that the only power which can heal my parents or my loved ones is God. So why he is doing so? Because he knows that beyond his parents there is a power who is going to heal them.
So hello everyone.
Hello sir.
We are again at this park and going to attend public speaking. One.
1, 2, 3.
ये थे 3 4 Sunday मंगलवार 0 1.
So my question is that mother tongue should be compulsory in the organization, institutes, and
Saying that if we meet,
make it closer.
if we meet in other countries.
Question: as you say, if we go on other countries, how we conversation to other members? We learn the other languages. Not conversation. How will you get the job?
We can't compare past situations to nowadays.
As you say, girls are not doing hard work. Why do you say that? If a parent giving us opportunity to study, we are coming school, we are doing our home work also, we are coming, and school also doing study well, and go to home back and do all the works that our parents expect from the girls.
I have seen many of the girls who work in shops and the many sales girls who come in my house for doing their job. How can you say girls can't do not hard work? How can you say this? I am not saying that boys cannot do hard work. I am only saying who is better off.
He's saying boys doing hard work in Zomato company. I am the eyewitness of in Delhi city. Many women drive the auto rickshaw and they earn money for their family.
Yes.
What about this situation?
Yes.
Who told them not? Who?
So that everyone here is not well aware about what positivity is. Everyone knows what positivity stands for.
And beyond to it, the intuition we have, it comes from the God that we feel about something like
Here, many farmers society.
Flip.
For those people who want to explore.
1 2 3
Many of boys using their freedom as for bad uses. Many
Good girl. I am yes.
very good girl, but she is very much different.
Rising temperature in the which is recorded in every decade.
Globalization means to connect other countries and other cultures and share our culture and also accept the other cultures and want something and learn something on other cultures and other countries. As we saw in previous day, some days ago, there is G20 summit is here to promote the culture and also save the something for our culture. Like our India has a presidency to guide this summit. There is lots of things. There are lots of places the G20 is organized.
हेलो एवरीवन, आर यू एंजॉयिंग योर समर वैकेशंस? ऑफ कोर्स यस। तो सिर्फ एंजॉय नहीं करना है, ये समर वैकेशन बहुत खास है। समर वैकेशन में हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम होता है। इस टाइम का फुल यूटिलाइजेशन करना है आपको इस बार। अगर आप 10th में हैं और 12th में हैं तो आपके लिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट और बहुत गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए। तो सबसे पहले बेसिक पर चाहिए। आपके बेसिक में जहाँ जहाँ परेशानियां हैं आप उसको इम्प्रूव करिए। आप अपने कैलकुलेशंस पे काम कीजिए, आप अपने स्पेलिंग पे काम कीजिए, आप अपने टाइम पर काम कीजिए कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन आप कितनी देर में सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं। तो ये वो टाइम है जहां पर आप अपने आप को पूरी तरह से इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, पूरी तरह से निखार सकते हैं। क्योंकि एक बार ये टाइम चला जाएगा तो दोबारा नहीं आएगा। जैसे ही जुलाई आएगी आप अपने रेगुलर क्लासेस में चले जाएंगे। तो इस टाइम का बेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन करिए, बेस्ट प्रूफ कीजिए अपने आप आने वाले टाइम के लिए।
नो 0 0 एक साथ नहीं आ रहा है। 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 3 4 6 5 1 3 2 1 1 3 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 4 5 6 0 clap 0 no together 0 0 0 1 4 out 3
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी,
मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चंद के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हम आना ऐसा